Body language, one of the single most important things in your communication. How many times have you said something and your body was saying something completely different? How many times have you saw someone and you thought that he was lying?
Is you just want to get accepted. You just want to be like, oh, you look so fine. No. When you become efficient with this, when you really know that you are in tune with the power of images, when you know that you are asking these three questions, and you are all of those three questions are aligned. That is the whole goddamn thing about this science. Being
all living creatures, and you begin to treat it in a different way because you've awakened your individual self. You've awakened to connect with your soul and your energy, your spirit. So you treat food differently. The second thing, you begin to treat sexuality differently as well. And your attention, your focus, you don't give away your focus easily as most people do with watching playing video games or watching football and